myself, Dr. Pravita Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shri Aurobindo College, University of Delhi. Learners, in series of heterocyclic reaction and in previous class we had discussed about what are the heterocyclic reactions, what are the classifications of heterocyclic reactions and also nomenclature of heterocyclic reactions. Learners, heterocyclic compounds are very important organic compounds in organic chemistry, and heterocyclic compounds, as we know, as we discussed in previous lectures, are the organic compounds which contain a cycles, and that cycles contain a heteroatom that can be one or two. So, on the basis of presence of heteroatom and number of the carbon atom, we can give them name. So, we had also discussed the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. In this class and in this first part, we will discuss unsaturated 5-membered heterocycles or heterocyclics organic compounds with 1 heteroatoms and with 2 heteroatoms. Learners, as we know, heterocyclic compounds have a wide range of applications. They can be used as agrochemicals, as pharmaceutical compounds in the drugs. Also, they can be used as corrosion inhibitors or dye esters. Here in this class, we will discuss pyrrole, furan and thiophene. These are the heterocyclic compounds, 5-membered heterocyclic compounds which contain oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur in the ring. Learners, as I am talking about the heterocyclic compounds, these 3 heterocyclic compounds, especially pyrrole, furan and thiophene, are having a wide range of applications. They can be used as anti-cancers, they are having many biological activities. They can be used as a anti-cancer, anti-malarial, anti-corrosions also. So, we will discuss here what is the aromaticity, what is the stability and reactivity of that heterocyclic compounds. So, it is very important to understand the chemistry of heterocyclic compounds. So, here we will discuss also aromaticity in azoles. Azoles are the also heterocyclic compounds which contain 2 heteroatoms. So, you can see on your slides, these are the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds and these are the aromatic compounds which contain heteroatom in them, right. So, first you are looking here pyrrole. Pyrrole, as are you looking on your screen, pyrrole contain nitrogen as a heteroatom. Similarly, furan contain oxygen and thiophene contain sulfur in them. And here if you count the number of carbon atom, you can see there is a 5 carbon ring, 4 carbon and 1 heteroatom. So, total we have to include heteroatom also in the counting. So, total is 5-membered ring. Out of 5 membered, 4 are carbon and 1 is heteroatom. Here these heteroatoms, 5-membered heteroatoms, considered as a derivative of cyclopentadienyl anion. So, this is the cyclopentadienyl anion, and if we replace CH group, this carbon having a lone pair of electrons. So, when CH group is replaced by NH, oxygen and sulfur. So, X we have represented over here in X. So, when this CH is replaced by N, oxygen and sulfur, we get a pyrrole, furan and thiophene. So, these compound possesses very characteristic of conjugated diene of alicyclic amines, ethers and sulfides. Now, learners, why heterocyclic compounds, these pyrrole, furan and thiophene are aromatic in nature? What is the reason? These compounds shows the aromaticity. So, if you are looking on screen, so here this pyrrole and thiophene and furan, nitrogen having a lone pair of electron. Similarly, sulfur also having a lone pair electron, and oxygen and sulfur having 2 lone pair of electrons. So, if we are looking here, due to that lone pair of electrons which is included in the ring for delocalizations. So, here pi excessive means the number of electrons is more, and we in easy language we can say the 6 electrons are delocalized between 5 atoms, right. So, pi excessive aromatic heterocyclic compounds have 6 electrons. If you will count the number of electrons, so you can see on your screen, nitrogen have a lone pair of electrons and there is a 2 pi bond, right. So, these 2 pi bonds contain 4 electrons. So, total number of electrons will be 6. So, these 6 electrons are delocalized between the 5 atoms. That is why these are pi excessive heterocyclics, or we call aromatic heterocyclic. Now, similarly, these are the heterocyclic compounds which are also having 5 membered ring, but here there is a 2 heteroatom present in each of example. So, you can see on your screen 2 heteroatom is present over here. Now, here these are the compounds, we can say heterocyclic aromatic compounds which contain 2 heteroatoms, and these are also aromatic compounds. Learners, the aromaticity is associated with the number of electrons present in them, and again here due to this aromatic compound aromaticity character, the heterocyclic compound shows electrophilic substitution reactions, and also there is a great resonance stabilization effect and aromatic sextet involving lone pair of heteroatoms. Now, question is arising here, how the lone pair of electrons involved in the sextet of pi clouds. Here, as I told you, 6 pi electrons, that is a sextet of pi electrons. These pi electrons involved in delocalization of ring. Now, aromaticity we will discuss why pyrrole, furan and thiophene, why these are aromatic compound. It means that they contain 6 pi electrons, right. So, in pyrrole you can see the nitrogen having a lone pair of electrons. That lone pair of electrons along with 2 pi bonds are delocalized within the ring. So, that is why total number of 6 electrons. Similarly, in case of furan having a 2 lone pair of electrons. Learners, out of 2 lone pair of electrons, only 1 pair are involved in the delocalization, in the stabilization of the ring. Second pair of non-bonding electrons not part in pi cloud. So, similarly, in case of thiophene also having a 2 lone pair of electrons, out of 2 lone pair of electrons, only 1 non-bonding electrons are used in delocalization. Second non-bonding pair of electrons not part in pi electron clouds. So, that is why they follow the Huckel's rules. So, we can see because there is a 6 pi electron in the delocalization involved, and if you will see the structure, it is a cyclic planar, each atom is sp2 hybridized, and also conjugation, there is a conjugation in the ring. So, we can say these 5 membered heterocyclic compound which contain 1 heteroatom follow the Huckel's rules. Huckel's rules is 4n plus 2 pi rule electrons. So, that is why these are aromatic compounds, right. Now, you can see the orbital structure of pyrrole, right. So, here because pyrrole having nitrogen atom, nitrogen having a non-bonding electrons, that non-bonding electrons involved in pi cloud. So, here every carbon in the ring has p orbitals. So the pi cloud contains 3 pi electrons pair, and one orbital that is present on the nitrogen, that is perpendicular to sp orbitals of carbon. So that's why only pair of electrons which is present on the nitrogen atom takes part in delocalization of electrons within the ring, which shows the aromatic characters. And here if you will see the structure of furan, this is the structure of furan. Learners, furan or thiophene having a 2 non-bonding electrons. So out of 2 non-bonding electrons, only 1 bonding electrons take parts in delocalization. So here in thiophene and oxygen, there is a electron that are present in orbital which is perpendicular to the p orbital of carbon atom. So one orbital which is perpendicular and other is orthogonal to the other sp2 hybrid carbon of furan. So aromatic sextet, due to delocalization, 1 electrons contributed by each carbon atom and pair of electrons contributed by the heteroatom. So learner, remember, a pair of electrons contributed by the heteroatom which is present in the cyclic ring are the responsible for the aromaticity of heterocyclic compound or aromaticity of furan, thiophene and pyrols. So delocalization of pi electrons evidenced by bond distance. If we see here the bond length between carbon and carbon and the heteroatoms, it acquires double bond characters. So the carbon and the bond length between the carbon and the heteroatom is shorter in corresponding tetrahydrofuran. So it's a very important point. So here the bond length between the carbon and bond length between the carbon and heteroatoms are responsible also for also, this is the cause of aromaticity also. So here you can see in the structure CX, I have represented here X can be N nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. So due to that, bond is lengthened and molecule is elongated. So this is the main reason, elongation of the molecule. Another important point you can see here, because as I told you in previous slide, there is a involvement of 2 pi bond and 1 lone pair of electrons, or we can say bonding pair of electrons which take part in delocalization within the ring. So here the bond length between C2 and C3 and C3 and C4 is almost same. But if we talk about the bond angle between C2 and nitrogen and C5. So you are looking on your screen the carbon C2 and the carbon C5. So there is a in between the C2 and C5 there is a heteroatom present. So here the bond length between carbon and nitrogen is 109 and 8 degree. Similarly, if there is a thiophene, so thiophene has also heteroatom which is S. So bond angle between C2, C5 and thiophene is 92 degree, 92.17 degree. Similarly, the bond angle between C2, oxygen and C5 in case of pyrrole, the bond angle is 106 and 5 degree. So this is the bond length between C2 and C3 and C2 and C4 in pyrrole, in furan and thiophene, almost considered as a same unit, right. So this is also cause of aromaticity in the heterocyclic 5-membered ring. Now structure and stability, what are the relation between structure and stability? Which in thiophene, in pyrrole and in furan, right, in thiophene, pyrrole and furan, which is the most stable heterocyclic compounds. So in each heterocyclic compound which we are discussing here, pyrrole, furan and thiophene, learner, these are the common heterocyclic compounds, and it's very important point I am telling you here. About 80% of the drugs in pharmaceutical chemistry contain these compounds, contain these rings in them. So if we talk about the structure and stability of these heterocyclic compounds, everyone is a planar, pentagonal and sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. So here this is the orbital structure of 5-membered ring. Here the lone pair of present on the heteroatom is imparts the aromaticity to the molecules. So the lone pair of the electrons, one electron which is present in the sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon atom takes part in delocalization, while the lone pair of electrons which is present in the orbital of oxygen, thiophene and sulfur, which imparts the aromaticity into the molecules. So if we talk about the resonance energy, thiophene, or the stability, thiophene is greater than pyrrole, pyrrole is greater than the furan. So resonance energy of thiophene, pyrrole and furan, this is in the decreasing order. So high degree of stabilization, high degree of delocalization of electrons and high aromaticity character. So it's very important, you have to understand, you have to learn, if in the relation of resonance energy, if there is a high degree of stabilization within the molecules, high degree of delocalization of pi electrons takes place within the molecules. So the aromatic compound or the compound shows high degree of aromaticity. If we talk about the resonance energy in case of benzene, the resonance energy is half of the heterocyclic compounds. So here in heterocyclic 5-membered aromatic compounds, electron donor characteristics of heteroatom and pi excessiveness is responsible for the aromaticity and stability also aromatic compounds. One important point, learners, in previous slides we were discussing about the bond angle between the heteroatom and adjacent carbon atom C2 and C5. Always remember, as the size of heteroatom is increases, the bond angle is decreases. So that's why these heterocyclic compounds are elongated in structure. So if you remember in the previous slides, the bond angle between the carbon 2, C5 and sulfur is the least, right, and the bond angle between the carbon, nitrogen, C2, nitrogen and C5 is the maximum. So here this is the resonating structure. So it is the resonating structure. You have seen here the involvement of a lone pair of electrons within the rings, and due to that we get a more electron density on carbon is high. In thiophene, some additional resonating structure also occurs over here. Why? Because expansion of valence shell, involvement of d orbitals of sulfur in the bonding. So that's why only a lone pair of electrons, only single lone pair of electrons takes part in the delocalization of sulfur. But here we are getting additional delocalization, additional resonance structure in case of thiophene. Stabilization energies is half of the value of benzene. What is the reason? Because almost benzene also shows the same type of aromaticity, right? But in case of benzene, if you remember, 6 pi electrons takes part in delocalization. Here 6 electrons takes part between the 5 atoms. So stabilization energies is half of the value of benzene, because only one uncharged resonating structure is contributing. So, in thiophene, release of bond angle is strain due to larger bonding which reduces the as sulfur, then nitrogen and oxygen. So, bonding radius and decreasing from sulfur to nitrogen and then oxygen. So, degree of bond localization depends on the electronegativity of heteroatom or the electronegativity of the different types of heteroatom which is present on in the cyclic ring, because nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen both are having different electronegativity. So, on the basis of electronegativity, the lone pair of electrons availability also matters. So, learner, in this part we have learned the aromaticity cause of aromaticity in 5 membered heterocyclic compounds with one heteroatom. So, here we have seen the aromaticity and stability character in thiophene, in pyrrole and in furan. Thank you.